house more bigger or want to renovate, you can use this application. So you don't have to pay more for somebody to create the 3D design. Okay, are you ready? Now, if you're ready, I'm going to show you how to sign up. Yeah, once again, as usual, you have to sign up here. You have to click your sign up, and then you have to sign up with your Google account like this, and then it will automatically lead us to the, yeah, just click my account. This one is my account.
Keluar udah itu lambat memang.
Okay, something's wrong with this. Wait, I need to share you the whole screen. Sorry, wait. We need to be more patient in terms of working with the digital. All right, I'm going to share you my entire screen so that you can understand, okay? How is it? Still not working? Okay, can you see my presentation now, Devanka? Okay, good. Now I will go to my homebuyme.com and I'm going to sign up with my Google account.
Wait, you're not presenting.
Yeah, we cannot see your screen.
Oh, you cannot see my screen now? How is it now?
No.
Oh.
I can't see the screen.
You can see? Okay, wait. This one is always like testing our patience, yeah? We have to be patient in terms of working with the digital technology. Our brain is too fast, but the tools are too slow. How is it? Come on, connection. Why you always be like this in every Thursday evening? We're always facing the same problem again and again with the connection. It seems that the connection are jealous with us, yeah? So I cannot share it now. I'm sorry. How is it? Wait. The connection are still working. So if you already signed up, can we just try it now? You can click the create button. Or maybe I can just.
Where is the creation?
Do we make our own project?
Yes, we can start to make our own project first.
Where is the create button? Is that the button create a project?
Yes, create a project. The yellow one, if I'm not mistaken.
Do I make a project myself?
Yes, you can start now, okay?
You have no sound.
I can't hear you.
You have no sound. Your mic is up, I think.
I don't know where's the create button.
I know.
Wait. I can't hear you. Mister.
There is a blue button said create a new project.
Oh yeah, I saw the blue button.
Yeah, okay. All right, I'm going to change my place then. Make sure that
Oh, I meant to.
probably.
Wait for Mr. A.
Who want to share? Who want to share the screen, please? Not me.
Me, I want to.
Yeah, come on, Glenn. Can you help me to screenshot this? Share, please. Oh, the process.
Ivan, guys,
It's like this.
Next, just press next.
Oh yeah.
Next.
and then-
Now, you do what you want to do.
I can't click next.
What
Yes,
should
you have to
choose?
pick first. What kind of project do you want to start?
Oh,
Why
like
did you
this.
click that?
Oh, that's it.
You want renovation? It's up to you. Can I share my screen now?
Yes, Glenn,
Yeah.
share your screen now.
Wait for Kakak Glenn to share his screen.
I cannot share. I cannot share. I cannot
Present
share.
now.
Yeah. I cannot share, Mr. Owl.
Press the present now button, Glenn.
Halo, presentasikan sekarang seluruh layar Anda. I can't press share.
Oh, where's Mr. Owl?
Oh,
Your
It's
entire
off.
screen. Can you find your entire screen?
no, I can't.
All right.
The button is off. Hello. Then press.
The project name, what is the project name?
Can I present it?
Glenn, Abang Glenn,
Again, presentate.
find present now.
How is it, everyone? Come on.
I already clicked presentate now. All your
Okay,
screen,
already there.
and then I can't press share. It's off.
You go to present now and press your entire screen.
I know,
But it cannot work.
but the share button is off.
Really?
Yeah. I only can press cancel.
Okay, let's just try it.
Can't do anything about it.
I try to scratch.
You can. How can I not?
That's why.
Oh,
Look.
yes.
We are already in this page.
Okay, wait.
Okay, you have to choose new construction.
Oh,
Or what
ini.
will be the name of your project? You can just write down your name of your project first. Come on.
I'm already dead.
Write down first, for example, house one, or what is your dream?
Project.
But I already write the project title into house.
Yeah, just write down everything that you want.
Roots.
Okay,
Project.
roots, house. Yeah, okay, go to new construction.
I'm for three.
Roots project, new construction. Good, and then house.
Oh, wrong.
And then no, just click no. You have an existing to, yeah. Room by room easiest. Room by room easiest. Click the room by room easiest. Okay, now you can choose any template. Just the square one first. Square one first. Oh, you use the L1. It's okay then.
You just click on the screen. Click on the screen. It's touch screen. Just click on the screen like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is presenting. Yeah, I'm going to stop my presenting my share. So wait. Why? Yeah, I thought I just use a new indie home package. And then yeah. Okay. How is it, Ruth? Okay, Ruth. Now you can. Yeah, you can put door now, please. Oh, you can start with the garage first, Ruth. You can start with the garage first. You have to decide where is the door for your garage. Oh yeah, you can make it big or you can make it small. Up to you.
I want to make it big. How do we make the walls? And also this.
How to make the garage?
Yeah, this one is a garage already. You can just decide this one is to be a garage. And go to the left symbol.
Let's see.
Left symbol just below the roots project name.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just click the other one. The other one. Go to the right side. Yeah, that one. You can just write build. Click the build one. and there is so many options there: front door, patio door, garage door. You can just click garage door first.
Garage.
Yeah,
Ini garage.
wait one by one, okay? Garage door. No, that one is the patio door. Can go to
Yeah.
no, just stay on page. Click the other click the exterior door, or yeah, use that one, and then go back again from the beginning, garage door, and you can just choose what a door that you want.
This is
Add to project. Okay.
this is one, two.
I think this.
Okay.
Okay, now you can click the room one. Oh yeah, you just put the garage door where? I mean, up to you
Here?
where
Can be
you want.
here?
No, not in the middle, of course. It's
Here, here,
on
here,
the wall.
Here.
On the wall.
here.
Di mana?
Down
Yeah.
here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe there.
Yeah.
Up to you.
Yeah.
Okay, you can just try to. Okay, go. Now you can go to 3D. Click 3D at the bottom side in the middle. Go to 3D. No, not that one. Okay, if you want to put more, 3D is on the bottom, middle bottom of your page. There is a 3D, 2D, and 3D. Just
Oh,
below
yeah.
on this area. Okay. Yeah. Click 3D. You will find that this is your door. You can relocate the door. Up to you. Relocate the door wherever you want to. Okay. Now you can put the windows and everything is on the build. Okay. Right now you're done. Good. You have to decide the door is make it more realistic. Yeah. I think the door is not in the middle. It's really hard for you later to open the. You have to go to 2D again, and then you can just click it. Where is it?
Al,
Yeah, Ivo.
my dad
No,
stop
this is the
work.
2D.
It keeps on like this. I'll show you like that.
There you are.
Right?
There you
Oh, I cannot see that. Ruth.
Like that.
You can share your screen, Ruth. You can share your screen. How is it?
Better
My
other people.
screen.
Yeah, you can share your screen, Devanka. Ivo, do you know how to share screen?
How to turn off the screen?
I cannot because I'm using my laptop. And I'm
No, you can
using
use your laptop.
Devanka, Google Meet.
Okay, good, Devanka.
What?
Now,
Click what to make the garage door.
click the symbol behind the house. Yeah, that one. Build. Click build.
Yeah, let's do
And
it.
then you go to the no. Click build first. Yeah. On the left side. Click build again one more time, so that you will be directed to the This is all the things that you need to do. Okay, exterior door. There is garage door, interior door, can be like folding door, something like that.
On the exterior door.
Yeah.
Click here. It starts green. Yeah.
There.
All right.
Right. You have your garage door now. You can just choose it, and you have to put it. Okay, you have to think logically. Okay, if your garage door is too close to the wall, just behind that.
Yeah.
I mean, beside that, it will be hard for you to put your car inside later on. Okay. Yang aku lupa namanya Denny Subianto, siapa namanya? What is your name? I forgot.
Ulang lagi.
Ayo, ada pertanyaan. Ivo, how is it? You know how to do it, Ivo?
Yes, because I just missed the last step because I have to sign up my name.
Okay. How about Denny Arfianto? Siapa namanya lupa?
Dia. Dia.
Yeah.
Then garage door. Then. Nah.
No. I know Tia, but Denny Arfianto. Siapa nama anaknya yang punya?
Yeah.
Alice.
Oh, Alice. See that? Mr. Alice too old now. Cannot remember. How is it, Alice? You know how to do it?
No.
Not ya. Oke, Alice. Alice sudah buka belum itunya apa? homebuyme.com-nya.
Not yet.
Oke, sekarang Alice buka ya. Mr. A mau kasih tahu. Kita pelan-pelan kita coba ya. Ayo kita coba. We will try it first. Sekarang Alice nanti dulu. Mr. A mau share screen dulu.
Okay. Now put another bill.
Ini Nico ya, bukan? Okay, Alice, can you see my screen now?
What door window?
Can, right, Alice?
Window.
Mana simple or
Alice
double?
bisa lihat screen Mr. A nggak?
Double
You
windows.
do by yourself. By the way.
Yes. Yeah. I think I'm gonna.
Alice bisa lihat Mr. A present sesuatu?
Yes.
Oke, sekarang Alice klik menu chat-nya.
Ini window-nya.
Home.
Cursor.
By
Nah,
me.com.
up to you.
Come on, Alice. Please click homebuyme.com.
Maybe. Not here.
Okay, homebuyme.com, Alice.
Right.
Like this, homebuyme.com.
Alright, so this is your garage door. This is your window.
H-O-M-B-W
Let me.
M-E.com. homebuyme.com. You will be directed to this.
What else do you wanna add?
Okay, Alice. How is it, Alice?
Yeah.
Coba for
Alice bisa share nggak? Bisa share screen nggak?
What?
click bill.
Why click that again?
Try what other thing that we need to add instead of try.
Alice bisa share screen? Alice bisa share screen nggak? Alice, can you share screen, please?
Mr. Al, can you stop presenting?
Yeah. I will stop presenting that. Oke, Alice dulu nih, kasihan. Alice belum udah buka belum? Alice bisa buka. Ya. Alice bisa share screen nggak? Present now. Bisa present nggak, Alice?
No.
Sebelah kanan ada tulisan nih. Sebelah kanan misalnya ada present now. Klik present now. Terus klik your entire screen. Ya. Klik your entire screen. Udah, Alice? How is it, Alice? Ayo, Alice, klik your entire screen, please. How is it, Alice? Gimana, Alice? Bisa nggak?
No. I cannot.
Alice sama siapa di situ? Di sebelah ada Mami nggak? Atau sama Daddy?
Mommy.
Iya, di sebelah kanan bawah ada tulisan present now. Sekarang klik present now, nanti ada your entire screen. Ada tulisan your entire screen. Klik. Ayo, present now. Klik your entire screen. Sebelah kanan ya.
Nggak bisa, Mr. Al.
Nggak bisa ya. Kalau nggak bisa, itu nggak apa, new tab, coba homebuyme.com.
Sorry, apa?
homebuyme.com. Di kolom komentar ada. Di kolom di chatlistnya ada. Tuh, homebuyme.com.
homebuyme.com. homebuyme.com.
Sabar ya, Glenn.
Oke.
Coba pelan-pelan. Ada? Bisa kebuka, Alice? Bisa kebuka kah homebuyme.com-nya?
Oke, ya.
Ya, kalau sudah, sekarang Alice harus sign up dulu supaya bisa bikin desainnya. Ini klik di sign up.
Oke, udah benar. Tinggal login.
Udah login ya?
Ya, kayaknya udah login.
Klik sign up-nya. Dan yang
Oke. Ya, Mr. Al bisa ke yang lain deh, Mr. Al.
ya, terus sign up with Google.
Ya.
Nggak apa-apa, ditungguin pelan-pelan, Pak.
Ya.
Supaya yang semuanya bisa selesai, bisa desain. Ini ilmunya lumayan berguna buat anak-anak karena memang digunakan secara internasional ini program buat bikin desain.
Oke, ya. Udah akses.
Bisa ya?
Ya, create a project ya.
Ya, create project now.
Google Meet di mana?
Itu di file.
Oke.
Ya, create project namanya.
Create project, oke.
Apa yang keluar situ, Pak?
Benar, create project. Kosong. Bentar. Next suruh apa? Itu new construction. Oke.
Ya, new construction
Oke.
sama house ya, di bawahnya house.
Bawahnya house, oke.
Ya,
Kasih nama Alice ya.
ya list house misalnya.
Alice house, oke. Oke, next.
Pilih yang no. Do you have
Pilih yang no. Oke.
Ya. Terus
Oke.
room by room is this.
Oke, room by room.
Oke, sekarang Alice bisa coba.
Oke, ya, Alice coba sendiri choose shape-nya.
Okay, now Glenn, can you help me to share your screen, Glenn?
I can't.
Oh, you cannot. Yeah, all right. Who want to share?
I don't know why. Better than.
Maybe the connection, Glenn. Don't know. How? Yeah, you cannot. Okay, how if I give you the access to do it? I don't know how to do it.
Can't.
How about Tia? Tia, are you okay? You know how to do it now?
Yes.
Okay, are you now doing your design? Tia?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, it needs time. I know you have to try this one until you guys know how to do it. Nico, mana Nico? Why you do not open your camera, Nico? Come on. John, Mr. Dufanko, you want to share your screen?
I'm done at the garage.
Okay, now you can start to create the living room in the left side or your right side. Don't forget, garage also needs a good ventilation. Yeah, you have to put some windows and everything there.
I also want to put the door so they can go to the garage.
Yeah, of course, go. Try to make it as real as you can. How is it, Nico? Nico bisa? Nico, can you share your screen, Nico, if you want to, so that Mr. R maybe and others can give you some suggestions? This one maybe needs some time, I know. We have to do it slowly, okay? How is it, Nico? Can you screen share? Can you present it?
Okay. Wait.
Yeah. You have to try to speak English, Nico. Everyone have to try to speak English, no matter what, okay? Don't worry about the mistake. Don't worry about the grammar.
Nggak bisa share.
You cannot share it?
She likes me.
Okay, how is it here?
Mr.
The share button is off.
How to open it?
So I pressed share now, all your screen, but there's only share and cancel. The share button is off.
Okay, I'm going to find a way. Maybe it's because
Glenn, Abang Glenn, there is a bar on the top of the bar that you used to write on www.com blah blah blah. There is like a red icon. You need to
Click
Uh,
it. Right click.
yeah, you need to able to make it not disable, but
Able to present.
make
Okay.
it
Go
more.
to
Yeah.
the URL list, Glenn. Go to your URL room, and then there's
Where
there
where is it?
your URL, your
Where?
internet name, your internet name. For example, like HTTP slash
Okay.
something like that, and you
Internet
have
name?
yes
Okay.
at the right side.
Enggak,
Right side of what?
Ini realistic image.
Right upside?
kesini petah.
Yeah, you can click accept them.
Uh,
No way.
Nah, di sini.
I can't do anything.
Wait.
Okay, maybe Ariani's mom can present share the screen so that Nico and
Okay.
Glenn know how to share it.
Okay.
Why can't I share?
Mister,
Yeah, Devanta?
can I try to add furniture?
Yes, try it. You can even put the car inside your garage. Everything is in the build. Everything is in that symbol. You can click everything. You can just put the TVs, cupboard, bed. You can make a double bed. It's up to you.
Ini.
Right? Try to make it as realistic as you can. If your room are too small, make it a little bit bigger. Even you can create your own swimming pool at the back. Okay,
And bedroom.
I've already done my swimming pool.
that's why I want to see yours, Glenn. How is it? Yeah.
I don't know. I can't share screen.
My home is like this.
No, not like this. This is only the picture of why?
Ruth's mom, can you help Glenn to
Oh yeah,
share
Abang
his
Glenn.
location?
I can't share screen.
You know the bar, the white bar that you used to type www, the address, the web
You can share
address.
your screen actually, ma'am.
Okay.
Share your
Yeah,
screen.
yeah.
Share your
Okay.
entire
Yeah,
screen.
I will share my screen.
So now I'm so happy that everyone is helping each other now.
Oof.
Wait, wait, wait.
Can you see my screen now, Abang Glenn?
Yes, I can.
Here, on the top of your bar,
Yeah.
there must be a setting that doesn't allow you to share screen. Your laptop doesn't allow you to share screen in Google Meet. You have to unlock it. I don't know. Try to click. For example, here there is use the camera allowed, use the microphone allowed, share the screen allowed. Now you have to click allowed for share the screen. Can you do that?
I only have camera, microphone, and notifications.
You don't have share the screen?
Nope.
Oh, can you try to share the screen again? And then if there are only two options, go to this bar again and activate your share the screen option. Now I'll turn off my screen and let you sharing. Share the
Screen.
screen.
Now.
Try
And
to share the screen.
here. Still can't. Set permissions. Oh, wait. Wait. Location, camera, microphone, motion, or light sensors notifications. I don't know where's the share screen.
You cannot
Even
find
in
it.
the settings.
Last time I had such a problem, and I just went to that the top bar and activate my screen share screen option. Now you gone. Glenn, you have left the meeting.
It's connection problem, I think.
maybe yes.
Nico, how is it?
How,
Yeah, Ivo.
how do you add the bed in my room? Because it's just outside like this. Like this. My mom tried to edit it in, but it cannot.
Cannot actually it. You just drag it.
Yeah, you can do it, Glenn.
Yay, Glenn can do it.
No.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, actually can. Just drag it. Ivo.
Mr. Al, how
Yeah.
can we add wall inside the house?
Okay. I know what to do now.
You can draw the wall, or you can just click the symbol behind
See, now I'm sharing.
The symbol behind.
the furniture, the one that you click for the
I'm sharing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there is a symbol on the left side of your screen below.
Am I sharing, Mr. Al?
Yeah, you're not
Yeah.
sharing.
Okay.
Okay, good, Glenn. I think this one is too big, Glenn. Make it more smaller.
Mommy.
This is in 2D.
I know, but I think this one is not make sense. This one is too big. Make it more smaller and make it more as realistic as you can.
It is too big. Okay.
Where's the swimming pool?
Oh, the swimming. This is the swimming pool.
Can you make it 3D please so that everyone can see that?
Wait.
Okay, Ruth's mom. There is on Glenn's screen. You can see that the name first
Look,
post is right
this
on
is
the
my
right,
pool.
and then there is on the bottom side below the first project there is a sign. I mean the symbol like the room. You can just click that one for adding the room.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
In
Let's
2D view, it's pretty big.
Yeah, I think this one is so huge.
Probably it's almost 250 meters.
Yeah. So
If
from
this garden one is 250 meters.
is it?
I love this.
project.
Yeah, I
How
think
big
this one
for
is too
250
big,
meters?
Glenn. I know that maybe this one is your dream house, or you can make it more bigger than this one. But for the first step, you have to make it more realistic. Just pretending that this one is your house, yeah, your house that you live in, and then you have to make it more realistic. Make the room is a bit more smaller, unless this is
Al,
your real house. Yes.
I don't know, but this language. What is this language? Respe Chause. I don't know that language.
You just try it. Click it. Click on the right side, please.
Big garage.
I don't know.
We can try to click it. Try.
I already translate. I already translate to English.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's
This one is
French.
French.
It's French, but I already translated it to English. Why is it still French? Then reload.
On the right side.
Reload.
Oh, you want? Oh, now we
I'm
can.
reloading. Boy.
Click the bottom arrow, please. On just right side on the rest, the cozy. That one, Glenn.
Where?
Go to the title, the French language. That one, and there is a arrow bottom. That one, the pointing the bottom like that.
This?
Ini aja ya.
No. Go to the left.
Ya. Oke.
Go to your
Now,
left.
This?
Okay, yeah. Go
Video
a
and-
little bit. Go right side a little bit. Go right side a little bit.
This?
No.
Where?
That one. Go click.
This?
No. A little bit right, a little bit. There is a sign like that, like triangle, like upside down.
This?
Triangle. No,
front
the
door.
one that you clicked just now. What is that? Yeah.
One beautiful one.
This one.
Yes, please.
This? Or what?
Where do you want to put your door? Here, maybe this is the front door.
Where?
Make it to the
What?
front. Yeah.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Is it here?
Okay, now
This?
window.
Wait.
They click this. Try it like this.
You want a double window, simple
What is that? Yeah, this is so.
sliding window, up to you.
Double window. Oh, this one.
You mean this? Translate to English. I'm translating. It's
Yeah, you may
translated.
try translating English.
Play.
Oh,
But it's still French. Look at this. It's all French.
yeah.
This
Wait, wait.
is French.
You have a staircase.
This is also French. This is French. This is French. Everything is French. This is also French.
I love this one.
But maybe you have to set the
I don't
house.
know little bit is English.
No, it can be inside.
Oh. I like it when it's the walk view.
Yeah, I think Glenn, there is no windows. How come?
Hey,
Yo.
there is window. There is window.
Make it more.
But this is already window. Or
Okay.
make it more.
Wow,
Okay,
you
make
even
more
also
window.
change the
But
wall.
what is window in French, Mr. Al?
Oh, wait. That's why I want to see mine first. I want to see mine. My.
After the
Look at
staircase.
this. I'm typing window. And there's none because it's French.
Staircase. After staircase.
Oh, after staircase.
Window.
Bed.
Yes.
Whatever. What do you have inside the house?
Window. Fenêtre. It's fenêtre.
Furnace.
Oh, you now learn.
Fenêtre.
This one I
Oh, there it is. It is French. I thought it was.
Beds. With the beds.
Okay,
What do you want?
now I got windows.
Oh, this is my school.
Put it
Windows.
around. Turn around.
I got windows.
Yeah, make it here.
Windows. Is this even a window? Let's see. In the block. Oh, it is.
Glenn, where is your swimming
Making a
pool?
window.
Glenn, you say that you have your swimming pool.
It's stuck with your.
Wait, you want to look at my swimming? This is my swimming pool.
How come the swimming pool are so small?
I don't know. I can't make it bigger. The game wants it to be that small.
Oh, because you choose the small one then. That one is not the swimming.
No, this is the biggest one.
This one is not the swimming pool, Glenn. This is the what we call it. This
Hot tub.
yeah, like the hot tub, like that one.
Okay, I'm gonna check in Google
Try to find the swimming pool then.
Pool.
Add a wall. Name the wall. We need to add wall.
Pool.
Cha?
Basin. Okay, basin. It's basin.
Is there any way you change the language, please, Glenn?
No, it's not basin. I don't know. I'm gonna change this language.
This is our blood.
Click swimming pool, not pool.
Pool, right? It's a swimming pool.
Yeah.
This is our bedroom.
Swimming pool.
Our room.
Swimming
Door.
plus pool.
Yeah.
Okay. This is okay, this is a pool. Look at this. I think it's a jacuzzi.
Yeah,
Is
that's what
it a pool?
Just click it and then delete.
Oh yeah, this pool is way more bigger.
Ini juga klik.
yeah, you can make it bigger now.
You can make door ya.
Oh my. A pool and a hot tub in a house is so cool.
Can you make it bigger, please, Glenn?
What?
Make it bigger.
The pool?
Longer or bigger, up to you. Yeah.
Wait.
Make it wider.
What bigger?
You can make it more longer or wider.
What? This we can't.
Cannot, yeah.
The game do what it does.
Okay,
I
okay,
can't control it.
okay. It's okay then.
This is a
Wow.
pool. There's no car.
There's no car.
Yeah, there's no car. No car. There's no cars at home by me. I mean, it's a hole.
I think it's okay.
Car.
No, our house is not. Ini room 2.
Poitor. Poitor.
How was the living room?
Yeah, this is the living room. Let's make a living room. Living room. Our room, one room, and this is the living room.
Car.
Yeah.
Oh, there is a car.
Yeah,
There actually is a car. Oh my. How's there a car? There's
Where
no way.
where can you get the car?
From searching.
From
Look at this car. My. Oh,
living room sofa.
this is so cool. This is so cool.
Ini sofa. Ini loh, sofas, armchairs, clothes. Nah, mau pakai yang mana?
Look at this car, Mr. Al.
Yeah, yeah. Where you get it?
Ini.
Let's fit in vault mode. Oh, this car. I searched. So there's this. I mean, not that. So there's this. Click one of those and just search it. Car.
Okay, yeah,
I
okay.
found it.
Iya.
I found it.
I will try it then.
Oke.
Just search car. There is some products of
What
car.
else
I
do you
thought there's none. This pool is so tall. It's taller than me. Let's see. Can we get more tall than him? The answer is yes. I mean, the pool is not as realistic. I want to get inside the pool. Oh, I'm inside the pool.
Yeah.
Mommy, the
Oh.
kitchen gonna be right here, okay?
Alright, up to you. You can turn around.
I'm in the pool.
Alice, Nico, do you have any problem? If you have any problem, please share with us so that maybe
Make it bigger, sayang.
we can help you in other way.
Extend the kitchen.
All right. If you want to be the interior designer, the one,
I want to be an interior designer.
yeah, the one with that working to help people to manage their room, their house or their building. You can try to learn more about these applications. Try to make it more realistic as you can, and you can give some suggestions to the owner of the room. For example, if you want them to, yeah, for example, if you want them to buy some furniture, plastic furniture.
Please. There's none, right? There's none. There's no slide. Playground. It's a slide. There's a playground. Play.
How is it, Ivanka? You want to check?
Nope. Nope. Black space it on. No, it's not, right? It's usually
What happened to the opposite side?
Ivanka, you want to share your screen?
corte.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to share my screen, but I'm not yet done. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. We just want to. Glenn, it will be easier for you to change the language first, Glenn, so that you
I don't know. I already translated the language, but it doesn't.
open Google and click or type how to change language in homebymee.com.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Car for kids.
Correct.
Okay, good. Where's the door? That person is locked in the
What is this for? You can just jump over that.
What is this?
Why don't I just make the door?
What's a playground? Is this a
You don't
playground?
know how to make the door? Yeah, click the door.
Oh my gosh.
I'm making the door now.
Inside your door. That one is inside your
I
door.
told you, that's a project. I'm gonna add this to my
You
project.
can choose different time.
Let's see. I have an idea.
I think I'm getting up.
Now, Japanka, try to create the kitchen too. With the
This is the kitchen.
where's the kitchen set?
Favorites, yeah?
Where's the kitchen set? Like
Yeah.
kitchen set?
See that?
It is not the kitchen set. It's a table also.
Oh, one corner.
Try to find the kitchen set.
There's one in the kitchen set.
How come you put the kitchen set just nearby the garage? It will be blow up later on because so many.
Oh, yeah.
A kitchen set
That means it's
beside a garage.
no, the garage is here. It's near the garage.
It's the same. If the fire gets to your car, then it will explode, and your house and your entire house will explode. I think the table is too close with the refrigerator.
I think it's too big, but I don't know how to make it.
Japanka is a standard table. Maybe you can change it. Click it first. There will be a measurement there.
What is it?
I don't know. Microwave. Oh, but the refrigerator.
Wait, where's the brown table?
What?
Where's the brown table?
What?
Put it outside.
I deleted it because it's too big. I'll search for another one.
The room is so big when it's 2D.
I want
Click
to
kitchen.
That's okay.
Kitchen on the right side. Kitchen. Kitchen cabinet. Kitchen.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
This
just click the
one.
kitchen cabinet then.
Oh, it's so good.
One in toss.
Go down. Maybe they have it.
Maybe. What's that? One.
Yeah, then.
Done.
Okay, so there will be no presentation. Yeah, it's just only
I want to go inside this bed.
okay. The data can you please sections with others. Okay,
Okay.
who want to present?
validate.
Japanka, you
Validate.
Glenn, you want to present yours? Go, come on.
Okay.
And then after that, you can take rest. Yeah. Next week we're going to do the second floor. Yeah. Today we're only working with the first floor.
Yeah. Second floor.
And
Yeah.
don't worry, you can use this application as your professional tools if somebody needs your help to design their whole house, right? Okay, Glenn, I think you need to put more like a television or sofa. Or,
Okay, I put a television, but there's no television here.
oh,
I
okay.
put a television, and then there's a television, but there's no television here.
I think we have it. Just TV. Click TV there. Maybe yeah. Okay.
Look at this room, guys. Hello. I am not please. Ow.
It's a television.
This one have TV at the bottom, Glenn.
Let's go out the window. Okay.
Oh,
There's no
oh,
television.
the keyboard there. I mean the pianos.
Hmm.
Oh, piano. There is a television. Look at the television. Oh, but I don't know how to get it up. Up. Oh, I know how to get it up. So it's gonna be this. I mean,
Yeah, you have to put it the other way around. And
Whoa! How can it be like that?
click in the
Then
tool
where
first
was
and
I?
rotate it. Rotate.
Where was I?
and let's see.
Wait.
Oh, it
wait,
matches.
wait.
It matches.
Okay.
No way. Hey, let me in. What should I do? There.
Okay, how is it, Alice? You want to share your screen, Alice? Done, Alice? You have any problem, guys? You don't be just quiet, okay? If you have any problem, just use bahasa, it's okay. Misal, aku ada masalah, how to do it, gimana caranya.
Boy. Oh.
Wow,
Keren banget, Glenn. Tapi kurang lengkap ya, ada you have to put more like AC, maybe.
What? An AC?
Air conditioning.
So much fun.
What?
Yeah.
Air conditioning.
Air conditioner?
Boy,
Air
somebody
conditioner.
get in there.
Air
Yeah, air conditioner.
Climati.
Station.
Climatization. 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 No, there's none. No AC.
Just AC. A-N-T. Click AC.
AC.
Conditioner. Just click air conditioning.
AC.
No. I mean, click the air conditioner. Yeah,
There's none. There's supposed to be none. There's nowhere. There's an AC as it exists.
type air conditioner, Christian. Air
Everything is white. Look.
conditioner.
White. Easy.
Air conditioner. Good job, Glenn.
Nope.
Yeah. Oh, you don't have it?
It's French, Mr. Al, so there's nowhere. No way. There's none air conditioner.
Yes, the language. I mean, oh,
Alright, let's search for painting. Painting. La paintor. La paintor.
Make a
Mr. Al,
yeah.
What is this?
meeting me.
Painting.
Has another meeting in Zoom.
Wait. Yes, Alicia, you wanna share your design?
Painting.
No, have to leave.
Okay. Oh wait, Glenn. Alicia wanna share her presentation
Iris dulu ya.
section.
You still can share screen even when I'm sharing.
Okay, go.
I'm not finished.
Oh, it's okay. If you're not finished, it's okay.
Wow.
Today you cannot.
I think I'm done.
It's a mission impossible if you can finish it because we only have like 1
I think I'm
hour.
done. I think I am done.
How is it? Can you share?
Dun, 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 dun.
My house is crazy.
Glenn, I give you the link, yeah,
For what?
We walk.
for changing your language. I put it in the chat box. Please check in the chat box.
Okay.
Click it.
I am lost.
Okay.
What world? I hate it. Oh yeah.
Uh,
Look at this. Yeah. Oh no, I did it again.
There at the bottom, Glenn.
What you bet? No. I keep getting out of the way.
With the yellow box, I think Glenn it one. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, let's see.
How is it, Alicia?
Wait,
Share your screen.
Mr. Al,
Yeah.
let's see the EN. There's no EN here.
how do you add a swimming pool?
Mr. Al, there's no EN.
Wait, wait, Go to no. Go down, please, Glenn. Go down. There will be FR. Yeah, go to EN.
Mr. Al,
Well,
because my battery is going
it's still French. I said
Change
EN.
to-
It's still French.
How about ES?
What?
ES. What is ES?
What is
Espanol?
EN? Still not
Yeah.
English.
My tongue is hurt.
What's happened?
Nothing, I just bite my tongue.
It's not
Come on, Olivia, you want to share your?
I'm sorry, I have to leave because I need to do another meeting, Mr. Al.
Yeah. Go. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
so sorry. Yeah, I
Yeah.
will finish it later. Okay, I will inform you later.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Hindi.
diba?
What is this? Is it a laptop?
Yes.
How is it, Alice? Nico? You want to share? Yeah. Okay, I think. Wow. Even
It
Glenn.
is a laptop here. It's a laptop.
Wow. You also put the.
Yeah.
Do you find some painting? And you can put some painting on the wall.
There's no painting.
This is bathroom.
Hey, what are you doing? Whoa, there's no table or anything.
Table. What kind of table?
Nico,
Oh, it's not. It's chair.
you want to share your?
Okay. We just need to feel my We just need to feel our face. Wow. And what? No.
Jadi aku nggak bisa mah. Aku udah bisa mah. Iya, susah.
Let's make the
Aku bisa. Gimana caranya? Aku kan dari waktu itu cuma
Okay, Nico, can you please share your screen, Nico? Can you share your screen?
That is called a microwave.
Nico, gimana? Apa bisa share?
Bisa?
Can you please share your screen so that Mr. Al can see your progress?
Okay. You'll
Share your entire screen.
Which door ya for
Oh, for the bathroom is this one. Share now?
Yeah.
Aku nggak bisa present, tetap nggak bisa share.
Oh, maybe the problem is like Glenn, yeah?
Iya, nggak bisa.
Do you have a dog around you?
No?
Ada mami, jadi siapa? Nggak ada ya, bisa bantu ya.
Nggak ada.
I think the same problem like the first one, like Glenn's did. We cannot do it. Glenn, wait. Nicole harus lihat Glenn ya. Wait, Glenn mau ajarin. Glenn, we need your help, Glenn. Actually, Nicole cannot share this screen. Can you help him how to open, how to allow screen. Ayo Glenn. Glenn tolongin Nico. Nico mau share screen tapi dia nggak bisa.
Why?
Nico mau share screen tapi dia nggak bisa. Tadi Glenn caranya gimana? Kasih tahu.
Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing first. Okay.
Why does it disappear?
Pertama, presentasikan sekarang atau
Share screen, Glenn. Share screen, Glenn. Dia nggak bisa lihat kalau nggak share screen. You
I
have to
can't share screen while share screening, Mr. Al.
Oh, just now you can share screen, right?
Pencet dulu, presentasikan sekarang, lihat layar Anda, dipencet share screen, terus pencet share.
I cannot share.
Tadi Glenn yang Glenn buka di URL box-nya.
No, it's not about that. Maybe I did that because I didn't click what I wanted to share.
That's why you have to share screen first. Use the cursor to find out where is the button.
I can click share button.
Share.
Yeah, where?
My screen, right?
Okay, Glenn is presenting now. Nico liatin. Watch. First, what?
Like this. The box. There's an arrow inside.
Wait, you cannot see your cursor. Where is your pointer?
Here.
Oh, there. Di situ tuh, Nico, di bawah tuh Nico. Anda sedang.
Udah.
Ya, klik.
Click. Click, right?
Ya.
Dah.
Terus diklik yang mana mau di-share.
Nah ini.
Cannot do that.
Oh, okay.
How am I supposed to share while sharing?
Yeah, I know. But probably Nico needs some help from the adult then.
Klik screen-nya. Screen-nya diklik yang ada gambarnya. Terus
Ya.
diklik share.
Ya, bisa Nico?
Kan klik ini dulu.
Ya.
Ini dulu diklik. Terus kan ada nanti muncul ada box itu, box putih besar di atasnya.
Ya.
Putih besar.
Terus kan nanti ada gambar screen kamu.
Ibu sih.
Klik terus pencet share.
Iya. Okay, like that only. That's as simple as that. Thank you, Glenn, for sharing your knowledge to us.
Ini salah ini presenting.
Gini.
Ayo, bisa nggak share? Thank you, Glenn. Okay, Glenn, I think I can. That's very good. Now you can leave call and we can meet again next week. Yeah, to work with the
I
second.
have to leave the call.
If you want it, if you're already tired, you can take a rest now. If you're already 1.5. Yeah, we will see 1.5 hour actually, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, you can leave the call now. Thank you so much. See you again next week. Yeah, keep on practice with your homepage.com. Yeah. Wow. Okay, Nico. Now you are presenting.
Karena Glenn harus keluar tadi.
Where is your?
This is my.
Mana belum?
Click it. Yeah, click that one. Okay. Go back. Oh, cool. Yeah. Okay. Kamu bikin ada driveway 1.
Mau bikin bucket.
Ya udah boleh, klik aja, nggak apa-apa.
Mau bikin ember kamar mandi.
Oh, Yeah. Oh, that one is a bucket for the cleaning. What? I don't know what is that. And
Bucket. Apa ya?
Ini nggak usah dulu, jelasin aja dulu.
Best bucket sih gitu. Gimana sih?
Yeah, you can start to present your work first.
Gak ada.
Nggak ada, emang ini international, ini kayaknya Nico International House ya, there is no bucket there.
Ember.
Kayaknya orang barat nggak ada yang, oh ya, maybe mereka nggak pakai ember.
Nah,
Ya, langsung ke ruangan aja, mana ruangannya? Ya, you can put it.
ini.
Ya, coba mau pilih yang mana?
Yang mana ya? Nah, ini nih.
That one is a standard one. Okay. Now you can put
Ini di sini. Ini di sini. Putar. Balik. Ih. Gimana sih?
pelan-pelan, sabar.
Sabar.
Ya.
Nah, ini nih.
Ayo coba di zoom. Itu yakin di situ toiletnya dekat pintu loh.
Itu susah ngarahin.
Dia harus nempel di dinding kalau nggak salah, dan ya nempel aja di dinding sebab di belakang ya, nempel.
Ya.
Wow, oh gitu, oke.
Pintunya harusnya agak besar.
Shower aja. Ada
You can put some shower there.
shower. Bikin di sini. Bentar. Udah shower.
Yeah, that one is the floor one. We have to choose the floor first. Yeah, you have go down. You have the.
Mana ya? Aku mah shower store.
Go up.
Ini.
Oh yeah, you can choose that one if you want it.
Terus nih. Ini. Mana arahnya? Kayak gini. Itu kayak gini. Hah?
Usually that one is stick on the wall, not against the bedroom ya, because it will be wet later on. Itu akan basah, Nico. Tempelin di pojok aja di sebelah sana.
Di sini.
Ya, di situ, sekitar situ. Ya, itu juga toilet nggak mungkin ada di situ. Toilet di pojokin lagi. Karena pipa-pipanya nanti, you have to think about the pipe also. Pipanya nggak mungkin masuk di depan kamar ada pipa-pipa, nggak mungkin.
Gimana ya?
Taruh di belakang juga sama, tempelin di wall belakang. Itunya apa toiletnya? Ya, itu diputar lagi. Diputar lagi posisinya.
Di sini.
Ya, putar. Good. Lagi sekali lagi putar. Dikit lagi, putar lagi.
Putar lagi tuh, Bu. Putar.
Nah, dikit lagi, terus ya oke, stop, and then tempelin di dinding. Ya, biasanya pipa-pipanya di belakang ya. Terus shower sama toilet jangan terlalu dekat. Kalau bisa ada partitionnya, ada dividernya, ada pemisah.
Ngambil dulu.
Curtainnya.
Sah ngambilnya.
Jangan
Mana?
bisa pelan-pelan aja, sabar, Niko. Oke ya, teman-teman udah ngerti ini aplikasi untuk buat desain rumah. Jadi kalau kena orang lain kan mahal. Kalau ada yang mau minta tolong Mami, Daddy mau buat renovasi rumah, mahal banget. Kasih tahu Mami, Daddy, I can help you. I can open this home by yourself. Tinggal ditulis aja ukuran rumahnya berapa.
Ntar ganti dulu.
Ya, boleh diganti floornya atau wallpapernya. So how is it? You want to present yours? Nico, how is it so far? You have any problem?
No.
Okay, good job. Now you have to. This is your homework for the week, yeah. Next week, I want to see all your house are complete. Only for the first floor. Bikin
Okay.
garage, living room, toilet, sama kamar Nico kalau mau, sama kitchen.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Nico. You can leave the call now. Thank you so much. How about you, Ruth? Ruth and Alice. Do you have any problem? Yeah, this one is like a game actually. You just put the furniture there or some of the cupboard, some kitchen cabinet. Yeah. Okay, guys, now it's time for us to leave the call. Thank you so much for today. It's already almost 6 o'clock. I think you need to take a rest and then take shower if you want. And then we will meet again next week. I want you to present your work next week, yeah. So don't forget, yeah, Ruth. Yes, Ruth.
I'm having problem with this game. That's because there's typing, there's no crab, there's no birds, there's animals, there's no tree, there's no ocean,
Yeah, Ruth. Actually, this one is a professional application for decorating the house only. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe next year, maybe the developer will develop the program to put animals inside. Yeah, I know that you are concerned about the animals actually, Ruth. Okay. By the way, do you have any pet, Ruth?
Do you have any pet?
Your pet at home? Do you have any pet at home?
yes.
What is that? Can you tell me the story about your pet?
I have two.
What is that?
I have two turtles.
Okay. Oh, turtles. So small.
They're not salty turtles. They're only normal turtles.
Oh, they are big or small turtle?
They're still small like this.
Oh, are turtle bite?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, what is the food for turtle?
Bones,
Can we
egg,
can we give
and
them
some
nasi?
fish food,
Can we give them
and
nasi
some
goreng?
fish food also. What?
Can we give our turtle nasi goreng or like mie goreng like that? Can we?
What? What do
Cannot,
you
yeah.
mean?
I mean, turtle have their own food, yeah, like specific food.
Yes.
Okay, can we just give our turtles rice? Boleh nggak turtle-nya dikasih nasi goreng?
Well, they cannot eat. They cannot eat scrambled egg, and they cannot eat rice. They cannot eat also, I don't know, something like thingy thingy like that.
So, okay, how about, yeah, do you have any problem with the program actually? No, yeah, you
I
just
have
mentioned
problem.
about, yeah, why
I
there is
have
animals.
I have problem with my creation.
Yeah,
Ayo, sleep
what is
It's
your
messy.
problem then?
My creation is messy.
Yeah, it's okay. Today is only like explore the program, yeah. Later you can continue that next week.
No.
All right, Ruth,
I
thank you for
want.
sharing with us. How about you, Alice? Do you have any problem, Alice?
Say thank you to Mr. Al.
Thank you, Mr. Al.
You're welcome, Ruth. Bye bye. Have a nice break. I mean, have a nice
Bye.
rest. Bye,
Bye.
Nico. Alice?
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye. Nico. How about you, Alice? Do you have any problem? How about Devanka? Devanka, you have any problem? All right, that's it. If you don't have any problem, we can see it again. You can see, okay. Devanka, you have any problem?
No, I'm focusing on making that.
Yeah, okay. It's time for you to take a rest now. We will meet again next week, yeah? Bye bye, Alice. Bye bye, Devanka.